guys, I'm so happy you can join us today. We are doing a YouTube hop for our Stamp and Die of the Month Club. This month the stamp is called Fairy Doors. It's very cute. We have these whimsical doors. The die cuts out around the door so we can open the door and have something inside or stamp a sentiment inside. So it's very, very cool. So for this hop, you're going to use the hashtag N2S Fairy Doors. You're going to click on the hashtag and that will open up all the videos in this hop. You can hop to each video, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Come back to the Rafflecopter link, which is in the description box, and enter into the giveaway there. One winner will be chosen to win a $25 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. This giveaway will close on February 14th, and I will announce the winner on my YouTube community tab. Or you can head on over to the Rafflecopter link and always click there, and that will show who the winner was. So before I share my card, I want to talk a little bit about the Stamp of the Month Club. So we have two clubs. You can choose the Stamp of the Month Club, which you'll only get the stamp, or you can choose the Stamp and Die of the Month, which you'll get the coordinating die. So when you check out, there's an option to choose. There'll be a drop-down menu. You'll see monthly. So if you choose monthly, you'll get this every month, plus you'll get an 18% off discount, which is amazing. Such a great deal for the Stamp and Die, or if you just want the stamp, to get a little crafty goodness every month. And we have lots of inspiration for you each month, so there's always a hop. So each month you'll see lots of designs using the stamp sets and get lots of ideas. Our coordinating dies do come on a magnetic sheet for easy storage, and usually all the sentiments will come with a coordinating die, so that makes it really nice. So I try to make the dies have something extra special with the die. So let me show you all the die cuts, how they look when they're cut out. So this is the wishing well, and it does cut out the center, so that is very nice. We have the doors, so it will cut out inside here. And then there's a score line right here, so you can easily open and close the doors, which I love. I think that is such a fun little element. So what I did was I stamped a little sentiment on the inside of my door, and then it will cut out the sentiments. So we've got hello, let your soul sparkle. We've got make a wish, which is the perfect little sentiment to have inside your door. We've got Dare to Dream. There's a nice little light lamp post made out of a flower. There's a butterfly. And then we've got Don't Give Up, and then there's a mushroom. I don't have the die cut out for you, but I do have it on my card. So very fun. And then this is what I did, and I can't wait to see what the other design team members came up with. I know there is a super cool one. You're going to see it on the hop, and it is like a tunnel card, and I just love that design with this stamp set. So what I did for these butterflies is I just glued down the center and then lifted their wings up so it's a little bit like a 3D element on the card. And then we have the door, and then on the inside I stamped out Make a Wish. Then we have the light post, and then I put the mushrooms on the side here, and then hello. And I did use some wood grain. Well, I used cardstock, and then I used wood grain embossing folder, but it didn't make a very good impression because this is actually not cardstock. It is an envelope. A craft envelope, because I ran out of brown cardstock because I wanted it to be brown so it would look like this is a tree, and then the little door was in the tree. So then we have some grass. So very simple card, but cute, and I just love this little door. So I can't wait to play with this some more and come up with some other ideas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this hop. Head on over to the next person by clicking the hashtag N2S Fairy Doors. Also, our new Card challenge is up on our blog if you want to head on over there and see what the new mood board is. We'd love for you to participate. We have a link up system there, so you'll just link up your card and we will choose a winner, and there's a little gift of $15 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby at the end of the month. So head on over there. The link will be in the description box for you as well. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.